Even if the challenges come, even if the problems come, even if the hurdles comes, those challenges, problems and hurdles will become inspiration for you. They will become conspiration for you. They will become source of learning for you. There is a quote from Paulo Coelho, and the quote says that if you truly want something in your life, then the entire universe conspire for it to get it. So when I read this quote for the first time almost 3-4 years back, I kind of felt laughing on it, because I saw that most of the people in this world who always have desire of money, who always have this kind of desire and that kind of desire, those people want so many things, but universe is not conspiring for them to achieve it. Rather, universe is creating problems and hurdles for people to achieve the things that they want in their life. But later, when I started working upon my life, later when I saw so many solutions and things that happen in my life, and to a certain level when I achieved the things that I wanted to achieve in my life, I realized that the quote which was written from Paulo Coelho was truly right. It took me a very deep understanding and analysis to understand that why it works for some people whereas it doesn't work for most of the people. If you practically observe in your life also and many other people's life, you will see that you actually want something, but you don't want it strong enough. What am I trying to say is that if you truly want something, then your body, your mind, your emotions, your energies, all the things will started working in that direction. But practically what happens, if you observe that if you truly want something but your body does not go in that direction, your mind does not go in that directions, your emotions do not go in that direction, your actions don't happen in direction, because I want you to understand that somewhere deep within there is a doubt within you, there is a fear of failure within you, there is a sense of hesitation within you, that you think that if I would not be able to achieve it, then what will happen? So now the question here is that at one point of time you are developing a desire to find it. At another point of time you are creating a conflict in your mind whether I would be able to achieve it or not. So what actually it means is that you want something but you don't want something strong enough. Because when you want something strong enough, when you have become a so deadly desire of it, when it has become like a no option for you, then your body will go in that direction, your mind will go in that direction, your actions will go in that direction, and then it will not look at the problems, it will not look at the challenges, it will not look at the hurdles. Even if the challenges come, even if the problems come, even if the hurdles comes, those challenges, problems and hurdles will become inspiration for you. They will become conspiration for you. They will become source of learning for you. So that is the difference between wanting it casually and wanting it with real sense. I'll just give you a very practical example. Let's say there is a man who's in the desert and he does not have anybody around him for 40, 50, 60 kilometers, and he is not able to drink the water and he is thirsty. So what will happen is, at that moment in his person's life, he will not think that what should I do, whether will I get the water or not, whether it will happen or not. Only at that damn place, the only thing that he will do, he'll just run and run and run and see where he can get water. Because in those moments, water has become his deadly desire. Because what happens is, in those moments, water has become his real desire, and it is not just a casual want. So that is the conclusion of this video, that if you truly want something in your life, the entire universe will conspire for you. When you truly want something, your body will go in that direction, your mind will go in that direction, your actions will happen in that direction, and what will happen is, even the hurdles and challenges and the problems that will come in your life, you will see them opportunity. You will see them as gifts that you can develop yourself to a new possibilities. They will inspire you. They will make you feel strong. So that is why it feels like that if you truly want something in your life, then you feel and think that everything in this world is conspiring for you to achieve it. So that is the real meaning of this quote, and that is the quote that I wanted you to understand, that if you truly want something in your life, the entire universe conspire for you to achieve it. That's all for this video. Thank you so much.